Welcome to the self-booking feature, where you can easily add guests or members to your event. Just go to the Event tab and scroll down. You will see self-booking option. Simply click on the Make the Booking for Guests. If you need to add a single person, use the single booking option. Simply fill in the required details, their first name, last name, mobile number, and email. You can also choose to send a notification to the guest after booking by enabling this toggle. For adding multiple guests at once, use the bulk upload option. First, download the provided Excel template by clicking this button. Fill out the downloaded template with the required details of your guests, such as first name, last name, mobile number, and email. Once you're done, save the file. Now upload the filled Excel sheet by dragging and dropping it into the upload area. Ensure the details match the format shown in the preview below. Finally, click the Submit button to complete the bulk booking process. Once submitted, you'll receive confirmation messages for all the bookings. And that's it. The self-booking feature makes it easy to manage guest passes for your event. Use single booking for individual guests or bulk upload for multiple guests at once. Start adding your guests today. Thank you.